If you are looking for the best pool cues, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. AB Earth 2-piece 58 inches pool cue. When you see anything out of the ordinary, it's easy to mistake it for a gimmick, but actually, this handle design is kind of revolutionary. It's made from Canadian hard maple and has been fashioned into a wavy shape. The benefit is obvious as soon as you pick the cue up. The grooves fit into your hand and give you amazing control, much more than you'd get from an ordinary pool cue. Measuring 58 inches in length with a 13 mm leather tip, you can tell it has been carefully designed. It's available in a bunch of different colors. Number 2. CUESOUL 57 inches 19/20, 21 ounces 1/2 maple pool cue. The handle has a tattoo-style skull design with a decal that says, "Rock the World." These awesome details are set on the background of a beautiful maroon paint job. Add all of this together and you've got one of the best-looking pool cues on this list. This cue is made for playing. It's made from kiln-dried maple wood, has a stainless steel joint running through the middle, and features a carbon fiber ferrule. All of this makes it lightweight at 21 ounces and beautifully balanced for a cue of this price. Number 3. Thai Ba Cues 2-piece pool cue. The actual cue is made of high-quality Canadian maple wood, has brass joints and a sturdy fiber ferrule, and has an imitation leather wrap. It looks fantastic, plays well, and feels perfectly balanced in your hand. You get a proper cue case made from faux leather. It's reinforced to keep your cue safe and has a pocket on the front to carry everything else that you need. Then, you get a 3-fingers glove for extra grip, joint protectors to prevent damage to the cue, and a tip pick to hold the chalk better. Number 4. Viper 1-piece Canadian maple pool cue. Viper 1-piece Canadian maple pool cue is a 57-inch cue that weighs 20 ounces. That puts it on the shorter side of standard-sized cues and slap bang in the middle of the expected weight. It's made from hard Canadian maple and then finished with 9 layers of varnish for added protection. This makes it really durable, which is exactly what you want from cheap pool cues. You can tell that it's designed to withstand years of regular use. It's also worth mentioning that it's a 1-piece cue. Number 5. Viking Valhalla 2-piece pool cue stick. This Viking Valhalla 2-piece cue stick is made from hard rock maple and available in 7 different colors. They provide extensive focus on the manufacturing of this cue to provide high-level comfort and quality to players. Like the variety of colors, it also provides the option of cue weight in the range of 18 to 21 ounces for their specific product. The butt comes without any wrapping of this cue that lets you grip the cue easily, and the rubber is provided at the base to avoid cracks.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.